Kanina, pinag-usapan natin ang habits. Ngayon, routine naman. Maraming akala ng full-time creators basta post lang ng post. Hindi. May sistema. Unang ginagawa ng maraming successful creators, checking performance. Pagising, hindi agad random scroll. Tinitingnan nila ang metrics, views, retention, comments. Anong gumana kahapon? Anong dapat i-improve? Creators who grow, review data. Pangalawa, content planning. Hindi sila araw-araw nag-iisip from zero. May listahan sila ng topics. Hooks, content, ideas, batch thinking. Kaya hindi sila nauubusan ng maipopost. Pangatlo, creation block. May oras talaga para gumawa. Maybe filming, maybe writing scripts, maybe editing. Protected time yon. Kasi serious creators don't create only when convenient. Scheduled siya. Pang-apat, engagement block. Nagre-reply sila, nagko-comment, nakikipag-usap sa audience because audience connection is part of growth. Pang-lima, learning time. Oo, kahit malalaki na creators, nag-aaral pa rin. They study trends, watch other creators, learn new strategies because growth needs upgrades. Pang-anim, going live or visibility activity. Maraming full-time creators gumagamit ng live para palalimin ang trust. Hindi lang posting, presence, connection, community. Pang-pito, content review before ending the day. They ask, ano nang na-accomplish ko today? Anong gagawin ko bukas? Anong iti-test ko next? May reflection, may system. At ito ang pinaka-importante, hindi ibig sabihin pare-pareho ang exact routine nila, pero may common denominator. Intentional sila, hindi random. At yon ang difference ng hobby creator at serious creator. Serious creators run routines, hindi puro reaction mode. Kung gusto mong umangat, gumawa ka rin ng creator routine mo. Simple lang. Morning, check analytics. Midday, create content. Afternoon, engage. Evening, learn or go live. Pwede kang magsimula dyan. Remember, big growth often comes from ordinary routines repeated daily. Kung gusto mo pa ng part 3, paki-comment mo part 3. And see you in the comment section.